3 minutes while it dries. So, do you have any questions? See, I'm painting it more, not in a very constrained manner, more spontaneously, okay, or more expressionist way. So whatever I am seeing, rather than thinking that now this is a house and now this is a window, I'm just looking at the abstract shapes of colors and paints and splashing them around. Later on I will bring it all back to shape. But the first thing is like the first impression of a very abstract, I wouldn't call it abstract, but very non-objective expression. Okay. So just splash of paint. When you look at it, there is some happiness happening here. Okay. This strong sunlight, a lot of freshly green leaves and everything in it. Springtime or whatever time it is. So I'm splashing that happiness and then I'll bring it back to more concrete. Question in your mind? No. Yeah. So that's what I was talking to you about. Like normally a photograph would give you like photograph will try to capture you, okay, and bind you within itself. So you want to loosen it up and feel the happiness if you are actually at that place. And that becomes easy to get out of the photographic reality.
So actually we should proceed in this way only, like it should be abstract first and then the means details.
It's not you should, it generally happens over the years. If you are a beginner, then you are too much concerned about the verbal identification of the object. Okay, you know you are painting a house. Later on you don't have to know you are painting a house. Ultimately what a house is, it's a color, shape, tone. Then the entire reality starts losing its verbal identification and it comes down to color, shapes and tones. And when you step into that zone, then you start understanding the painting is not about what subject you are painting, or neither about the color or shapes, it's about the relation of colors, shapes and tones. Okay, that is what the composition is. Are you following me? So it's a slow process. So it's not something you should do, it will happen on its own. Gradually.